Hi Minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Corinne, your Philly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Daredevil. This is episode 3 called Rabbit in the Snow. So we're just gonna jump in because the story is just like unraveling slowly but surely. We're like learning more information. We learn more obviously about Matt's past with his dad, which is still just like, again, I'm really a big fan of his dad. I like these kind of characters that are just like raw but like have these like really like amazing qualities about them, and his dad just seems like such a cool character. So it's sad that he's no longer with us, but like very motivational and, you know, teaching Matt some really cool lessons, you know, that he can hold on to. So but yeah, we're gonna jump in and just see. We're gonna see what's gonna go down. Who is he fighting tonight in the darkness in the alley? If you'd like to check out the full reaction to this episode, you can find it on my Patreon. There we are really ahead. We're ahead. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. Let's do it. Got my more wine. I've been drinking a lot of wine tonight. I was watching Cobra Kai before this, and I'm in a good mood. I'm ready for some more fighting. It's a great night. Wine, fighting, blood. Rumbling? Is this a rumble? Oh, just bowling. That's all.
Private game. You mind?
No, hey. Sorry. I was
Who
just
is this
really
guy?
looking forward to throwing a few balls.
Oh.
Moron out of my face.
He's an enthusiast of the game as well.
Whoa, whoa, hey.
You got a bad attitude, friend.
Got a bad motherfucking attitude. When someone just wants to hang out and bowl with you, you say yes. You don't hog the lanes. Okay, so we're back to this guy again, and like the Russians, right? Oh.
I guarantee this baby will not jam. Or my name ain't Turk Bear.
It jammed up. Shouldn't have listened to the fucker.
He negotiates, huh?
Look at these two, just everyone just fighting out here in these streets, in these lanes. Is that lady gone? I would have dipped so quick. That gun jammed. I mean, you need a revolver. Like, I'm a fan of a revolver. I've held one, never shot it, but they seem very, how you gonna get out?
Where is he? Get him in sight. He's right over here. Don't move.
Does he have a damn good lawyer?
Your hands up.
I mean, he's already winning here. Yeah, because lack of pigment, so he's already in a better place than most.
You don't want that latte? Take care of yourself, Father.
Okay. How is this father going to come into play? I'm sure we'll see him more. Like, is he like an ex-fighter too? It just like shows up and shows out.
King's in the castle. Kings don't have bodies in the trunk. Tell that to Macbeth.
Yeah. Macbeth. That's what he said.
You know something, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you know?
Florida's beautiful this time of year.
No, it's not. Stop trying to make Florida a thing. It's not. God.
There are no rules, Benny. Not anymore.
Benny.
Take a pass on this one, Benny. Some fights will just get you bloody.
This is real serious. Damn. Damn.
Was that a knock?
Right. Chipper knock.
Our door? Karen.
I know, secretary. Come on. I get to it. Chop, chop. Okay. Greet the guests. Offer them water or coffee or tea.
Hi. Do you do walk-ins?
Hopefully he can hear the bullshit here.
You'll be fairly compensated.
Don't. This is shady business, and you know it.
What's his name, Foggy?
You wouldn't care if you could see the zeros on this check.
Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't.
We're running out of
I'll
time.
meet you there.
Meet me? Where the hell are you going? Matt!
It sucks when you know what's right and everyone doesn't. Oh, so he's following him. Can you hear his watch and all that noise? That's so bananas. That's so bananas. It's making me appreciate that Spider-Man moment even more from No Way Home. No offense, sorry if you haven't seen that, but you don't know anything else. You don't know anything.
It's been taken care of, sir.
Okay. He heard that too. What? Oh, your injuries? Jesus, boy, you don't have an Alfred to patch you up. I mean, you kind of got that lady, but she's got to work. Can't put her in danger.
Like to be on the ground, right? Would like to talk to people. Take a poll. What color do they like? You know, we got a blue line, we got a yellow line, we're running out of colors.
Like M&Ms?
What if we lose this case, Mr. Healy? No. Are you?
Oh! Oh!
A word, please.
Take a moment. Take a break. Jesus.
Suit.
Yeah.
You picked it back at the office. There's something off about this whole thing.
We agreed to represent Foggy. We're gonna try this case and let the jury take it from there.
Okay.
Mr. Healy.
Does he trust the jury to convict him?
Refers to in this.
You see how this complicates things, yes?
Damn.
Daniel Fisher was murdered, and your
I
client...
assure you that any illegal activity associated with Union Allied has been dealt with. Thanks very much to you.
I feel like she should have had Matt and Foggy there as her lawyers.
A chance to put it all behind you. Isn't that what you want?
I wish she would, like... I mean, I know she doesn't know Matt and Foggy, like, really, really close yet, but, like, I wish she would have, like, talked to them about it.
I know there's a limit to what you can do to what I can afford. I just want to make sure she can rest so she can get better. So she can come home.
Is this his wife or daughter or sister? I missed that.
5 days. That's what this will buy you.
And the appeal?
No promises, okay? Now get the hell out of my office. I've got a measles outbreak to deal with because idiot parents don't want to vaccinate, and my best nurse is out with who the hell knows what.
Fucking vaccinate your kids. I understand. We all have fucking thoughts about it all. I vaccinated my child for a reason. I hate that nonsense. Oh, vaccines are too... Shut up. Science and medicine is what has saved us over so many fucking years. This is the wine talking, everyone. Just annoyed.
We need better Wi-Fi.
We need better everything.
Let's do that. Let's win cases, be popular, and make money.
Fully.
Bang on the router, will you?
Oh, hey, no more long lunches until this is over, okay?
And it must be so hard for him to be like, because like he can tell when people are lying, but he can't say anything. So it's... What are you hearing? Who? Is it that lady? Is she? She's probably paid. So, oh, and here's him. Yeah, she's on their payroll. Is it what is it when you can like pull a jury out if you think they're compromised?
Go home. Get some rest. Got a big day tomorrow.
It's tough being a crime. Oh! Crime is tough. Ooh,
stay down.
Should have stayed fucking down.
He'll kill me.
Then you better leave my city.
His city. his city tonight. Get the fuck out of here. Don't you come into my city with your shenanigans and your tomfoolery and your bribery and your blackmail. He's disappeared like a fart in the wind.
Number 8 from service due to extenuating personal circumstances.
Will doubt that my client was not acting solely in self-defense, and those, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, are the facts.
Okay. Mr. Matt Murdock.
Now, beyond that, beyond these walls, he may well face a judgment of his own making.
Beyond these walls, he's going to face a judgment. Him afterwards, he's going to catch him outside.
Judgment is yours.
Oh my God.
And yours alone.
I'm curious what's going to happen to this trial. I'm so curious.
2 lawyers above reproach. Self-defense, no questions, no trail.
I like how they don't know it, like no type of hint that Matt would be involved. That makes me happy.
And I told him that whatever it was, he had a responsibility to do something about it. I figure I have a couple of years before I explain that part to my kids.
They have to pay for what they've done.
They won't listen.
We'll make them listen.
I already signed.
Oh. And that's it for her. Damn. That's how they... these whole non-disclosure agreements that happen, I think those are like the most bullshit things. Companies are way too protected, and it fucking pisses me off. So he's sending the jury back. Is that what it is? To like, oh, never mind. He may be free for like 5 minutes. Not even. But he's also a great fighter too, so this is gonna be an interesting, you know, oof, power, oof. I'm spitting, sorry y'all, oof. This is, that, always great fighting. Should be afraid of something. Should have been me. What do you want to kill me? What do you want to kill me? Where are they?
Fisk! Wilson Fisk!
Wilson Fisk.
He'll find me.
How will they know? How will they know?
And they'll find everyone I've ever cared about. And do the same to them.
Damn. I mean, yeah, they're all victims in a sense. Damn.
You coward.
So clearly, Fisk, he said, Fisk is going to be an issue. That's going to be an issue. Is this him?
Not even about the art itself.
What is it then?
All that matters is
how you feel?
How does it make you feel?
Yep, that's art for you. Look at him. Here he is.
It makes me feel alone.
Alone? Is that what he said? Alone? Can we see like the full painting? I don't see this rabbit in the snow. Oh, it's over. Damn. Well, this was a good one. This was a little bit slower, but I mean, like, again, it's just where we are just like getting deeper and deeper into this actual story that is Daredevil and like all the shit that's happening in Hell's Kitchen. So we're gonna have these like interesting stories of just like corruption, seeing how like that whole trial went down, and the guy hiring, you know, Matt and Foggy as lawyers. So it's just like, again, we're just getting more of this like the corrupt side of what's happening in Hell's Kitchen, which is cool. I mean, again, it's adding to the story. Karen's story is going to be very interesting because it's like she's trying to keep a lot of this hidden away from Matt and Foggy, and it's just like I feel like that's just not going to really work out in the end, because like, I mean, it seems like she didn't sign that NDA, which is great because, like, again, fuck those NDAs. But she's going to be at risk. So it's just like, I wish that or at least I hope there's going to be a moment where she's very open with Foggy and Matt about like what's happening, just so that they're like more aware and can just like be helpful to protect her, or at least Matt, you know, to protect her, because he's great at it. But I feel like they're the people that she needs to tell because they're lawyers, and like I think they just have like great. If I was her, I would probably talk to them, but that's just me feeling confident in talking to like my coworkers, advisors who know the law versus, you know, the fact that Karen is going to be working with, I think his name is Benny, who's in charge, who's not in charge, but like a part of the newspaper. So we'll see what happens there between them. But yeah, I don't know. It's a good story again. It's just always something interesting happening, and the fighting is always exceptional. But now we've gotten our first glance at Fisk, I believe. Let me look him up. Yeah, that's what I thought. Fisk was Kingpin. So our first introduction of Kingpin, which is cool. I wish they would have done something more with that art piece, because it's like we didn't even get to see it that much. I don't know. I feel like it could have had more significance and been a little bit more powerful. But I mean, it's so cool. It's so cool to see him now, and like he's now going to be a part of this. So it's going to get a little bit more serious now that we see the big baddie in here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say except I'm just excited. I'm excited to see what happens next, and just we've got some great seasons coming up ahead. So we're just gonna keep on watching, keep on being entertained, keep just it's good stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next reaction.